Hi, I'm Eric Mitchell, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Sedan Joiner Realtors. This is 109 Stonehenge Court. This home is nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac with a large yard and mature trees. Walk into the classic foyer with parquet flooring and directly into the large living room with a gas fireplace. The living room is adjacent to the formal dining room, featuring a knee wall and spindles for separation. Enjoy family gatherings with plenty of seating space throughout. The kitchen is large enough to accommodate a 6-top table and chairs, or install a large island to meet all your culinary needs. Part of the garage was closed off to create an office with built-in shelves and closets, as well as a large storage room. The bedrooms are spacious enough for a queen bed, side tables, and dressers, but also feature large closets for all your seasonal clothing. The secondary bathroom is large enough to add an additional sink to create a dual vanity so everyone has space. The master bedroom will accommodate your king-size bed and all your furniture, while the closet is plenty large enough for a couple's clothes. The master bath features a custom antique mirror and room enough for all your toiletry needs. This home is ready for your touches to make it your own home. Call today for your private showing.